Huawei has once again captured the tech world's attention with its latest innovation, the Mate X-T. This groundbreaking trifold smartphone has amassed an impressive 2.7 million pre-orders within mere hours of its announcement. The Mate X-T's debut comes strategically ahead of Apple's much-anticipated iPhone 16 launch, setting the stage for a fierce competition in the smartphone market. Priced starting at $2,800, this device promises to redefine mobile technology with its unique design and advanced features, sparking excitement and curiosity among tech enthusiasts worldwide. The Mate X-T is not just another foldable phone, it is Huawei's first trifold foldable device, boasting a revolutionary design that sets it apart from its competitors. With a 10-inch folding screen, the Mate X-T offers a mini cinema experience, providing users with a large, immersive display that folds into 3 sections using 2 hinges. This innovative design is a testament to Huawei's commitment to pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology, offering a seamless blend of functionality and aesthetics that is sure to captivate users. Under the hood, the Mate X-T is powered by Huawei's 5G-capable Kirin chipset, ensuring lightning-fast connectivity and performance. The device offers up to 512 GB of storage and 16 GB of RAM, catering to the needs of power users and tech enthusiasts alike. While specific camera details remain under wraps, it is expected to feature capabilities similar to the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. The Mate X-T also incorporates the latest artificial intelligence technologies, promising an enhanced user experience. With mass production slated for late 2024, this device is poised to make a significant impact in the smartphone market. Huawei's strategic timing of the Mate X-T's release, just before Apple's iPhone 16 launch, highlights the competitive landscape of the smartphone industry. In recent times, Apple has faced challenges in maintaining its position among the top smartphone vendors in China, with Huawei securing the 4th spot by shipping 10.6 million smartphones in the second quarter. This shift underscores the growing influence of domestic brands in the Chinese market. While Huawei and its local competitors continue to innovate with folding and flip phones, Apple has yet to venture into these segments, adding an intriguing dynamic to the market. The Mate X-T has generated a buzz on social media, with users praising its sleek design and innovative features. This innovative device is set to redefine smartphone design with its unique tri-folding display, commented one user on X. The overwhelming response, with 2.7 million pre-orders, reflects the anticipation and excitement surrounding Huawei's latest offering. Despite its high price point, Huawei stores are witnessing long queues of eager buyers, eager to experience the future of smartphone technology firsthand. As Huawei prepares for the official sales launch on September 20th, the Mate X-T is poised to make waves in the tech industry. Its innovative design and advanced features position it as a formidable contender in the smartphone market, challenging established players like Apple. With its commitment to advancing mobile design, Huawei continues to lead the charge in foldable technology. As the world watches, the Mate X-T's success could signal a new era in smartphone innovation, setting the stage for future advancements and redefining consumer expectations.